Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on December 26, 2025, about 4 days ago. It proposes SmartSnap, where an agent proactively curates minimal snapshot evidence for self-verification, and it reports performance gains up to 26% and 17% for 8B and 30B models. The paper is titled SmartSnap, Proactive Evidence Seeking for Self-Verifying Agents. Okay, and the implications for scalable training of GUI agents look pretty significant. On Hugging Face, you will find SmartSnap agent checkpoints with 8 billion Llama 3.1 and 8 billion QN3 plus QN 2.57 billion weights plus quick inference and chat template usage examples. Figure 1 means the SmartSnap idea is not just cleaner verification, it also translates into higher task success on Android Lab. The full chart compares baseline prompting against SmartSnap with fine-tuning and reinforcement learning. The baseline bars stay low for smaller models, but the SmartSnap bars rise sharply, which suggests the evidence curation objective helps learning. The right side also shows that smaller trained agents can approach big closed models on this benchmark. Figure 2 means verification gets cheaper and more reliable when the agent submits proof, instead of dumping its whole history on a verifier. The left panel shows task-specific scripts which work because they read the environment's hidden ground truth state. The middle panel shows large vision language models judging the full trajectory, which is costly and can hallucinate. The right panel shows SmartSnap, where the agent curates a small evidence set that the judge checks for relevance and sufficiency. Table 1 means the evaluation covers a broad mix of everyday mobile apps, so success is not coming from one narrow workflow. The table lays out the Android Lab task counts by app and by split, which matters because the agent trains on one distribution and is tested on another. The training split contains 726 tasks, and the validation split contains 138 tasks. The setting app dominates the training set, while Zoom is absent from training but appears in validation. Table 2 means the evidence-seeking setup pays off in end-to-end Android Lab success, not just cleaner verification. The full table collects success rate plus supporting metrics, where reverse redundancy ratio rewards avoiding pointless repeated actions. In the top block, large proprietary models set a reference range for success rate. In the lower blocks, the reinforcement learning rows show the largest jumps, and QN38B reaches about the same success rate as DeepSeek version 3.1. Alright. 2 takeaways stand out. SmartSnap shifts verification from a costly post-hoc judge over long histories to an agent that submits a tiny, decisive proof set, which makes training more scalable and verification more reliable. It also shows that evidence seeking can boost end-to-end task success, even for smaller models. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.